In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a hatch piston on a Honda CR-V, which is located in the rear of the vehicle. After opening the hatch, you want to put some sort of jack underneath it, because once you take off your piston, this hatch is going to want to come down. So if you slide a piece of wood under your bottle jack, like I am, and just put a little bit of pressure, like that, now you can remove your piston. We're going to start up top here. You have a clip that holds the piston onto the hatch. You can take a pick, pull that clip out towards you, like that, pull on your piston, and it will release. You want to do the same thing at the bottom. Take your pick, install it underneath the clip, pull towards you, and pull your piston off. And there's your piston. At this point, you want to check your ball that fits into this socket just to make sure it's not bent or pieces missing, which this one is actually in pretty good shape. You want to take your piston, push towards it, wait for the click, make sure it's secure. Same thing on the bottom. Make sure your ball is not bent or pieces missing, which this one looks good. Take your piston, push up on the hatch a little bit. You want to push that piston onto the ball. Make sure it's secure. Remove your jack. Put that off to the side. Now what you want to do is close your hatch. Make sure it closes properly. And then open it. Make sure it opens properly. And there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.